Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Monday morning. We're currently on Mona Road. We just passed Huey Gate, and we're actually running some errands, but we decided to just give you a very short and spicy driving video from Mona Road heading down to Halfway Tree. You know, say morning.
My manners. Sorry, morning and big up everybody. Bless up our Jamaica walk by family. You know, show me and navigate the camera. We don't realize what I go, but big up on yourself. Lexi, take it over.
Alright, so people normally complain that I'm driving too fast. I just don't want to drive too slow that I obstruct traffic. So bear with me. Alright, okay, so we're still on Mona Road. And we're passing a gas station, Total gas station. And on my right is the community of Mona. So a lot of UE students and so forth normally rent places there. Yeah, so they rent to a lot of students, a lot of professionals as well who work in the area. Normally rent places from there. I think this is a hockey field. Oops. Alright, we'll pass that. Alright. And I promise you I'm not driving as fast as it looks. I'm actually at 60 now. Yeah, no, it looks faster on camera. So now we're heading down to Karachi Avenue, which is on my left hand side. I used to live down here when I was going to UTech. Let me just go over this lane. So to the left, that road would take you onto another section of Old Hope Road where the commissioner's office. I think the commissioner's office is there, and then you can proceed further down to Crossroads and downtown. That's the left hand.
And I'm a countryman. I don't really know. I just listen.
Well, I'm a country girl, but I used to attend UTech, so I had to live in Kingston for on and off for about 4 years. So I have an idea how to move around.
Yeah, we move around, but I don't know the place by name. That's bad, but we used to just drive and just know me. I don't know how to explain that.
Alright, so we're passing another residential area here, Travanor Court, and we are now making our way onto Old Hope Road in a bit. Yes, on my left hand side is the great US Embassy. What's so great about it? It is great because most or all of us want a visa to even visit family in the States. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, continuing down. We're passing Northside Plaza. Passing already. So this is like the commercial hub. We're in the Ligani area now, where we have Ligani Plaza. I don't remember her name. There was somebody who made a comment about General Food Supermarket. That was her favorite supermarket. Is over Ligani Plaza over here. We have Lane Plaza. Lady. Lane Plaza over there. Alright, so we are now at a junction where if you go left, that would be the same road that would meet you onto where the commissioner's office is and carry you down to Crossroads and downtown. That's to the left. To the right now, that would take you to over there is Tasty owns the building. There's also a breakfast place, Brood Awakenings. They have awesome breakfast over there. You can try them out, and they have adequate parking as well. Yeah, so to the right now would take you to Barbican. The right turn there would take you to the Barbican area. They have a lot of shopping centers around there as well. And then straight down, of course, would take you to Halfway Tree, which is where we are headed. And of course, we did a video of, well, Fabian did a video of Ligani. So if you want to see the area more closely, you can go ahead and check out that video.
Still remember, say, I'm supposed to do sovereign, but just not get to it yet. So I will get to it shortly. Yeah.
Alright, so we have 100 on the right hand side. It's a restaurant open not too long ago. Richings Avenue. So some of these turnoffs can cut out some of the main road driving. If you're going to Barbican, you can take one of these turnoffs and it will take you there.
Great. Hope Road.
So people always mix up Hope Road and Old Hope Road. So Hope Road actually starts from Halfway Tree town. So right where Clock Tower is, that is where Hope Road goes, and it stops, I think, where Sovereign is. Old Hope Road now starts from Crossroads, comes up to the traffic light, past Matilda's gonna come to the traffic light, then continues all the way up to Papine Square. Yeah. Glen Hope Avenue. So that's the difference between Old Hope Road and Old Hope Road. So now we're on Hope Road. Continuing down, if you look on our left, you can see TGI Fridays. That left turn is Lady Musgrave Road. Have a lot of nice restaurants around there. Crew Bar and Grill, Nirvana, the breakfast place name again, Tea Tree Creperie. And I think over my right hand side here is the Governor General House. That's all? King's House. Yeah, I think it's King's House property.
It's a holy place.
City Arden Road on the left. And the Police Officers Club on the right, as well as Ronnie Williams Center. Won't be able to see, but we just passed Arden Prep on the left, and Liberty Academy on the left, and Andrews Memorial Hospital is on my left. And then the right turn, that right turn there. The right turn now, that would take you to Devon House, but I think that's the exit. You can't enter Devon House from there. That is the exit. Yeah, so that is the exit. And this right turn can also take you to Waterloo Road. So instead of going all the way down to the traffic light and turning right, you can cut out right here. Big up Sam Richman. I forgot to big you up in a video before. You are one of those persons who always bigging us up and giving feedback in the comment section. Sam Richman, big up yourself. Please remember as well, in the comment sections you can put down some names of some places that you would like to see. For us right now, it would be a little bit easier to get footage from St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Kingston. So if you have any towns or so in those areas that you would want to see, you can let us know. So now we're heading down, still on Oak Road, and we're approaching Winchester Business Center. Okay, I'm going to try to switch lanes. And now we're heading into the Art of Halfway Tree. We have the art training school here on the right hand side. Over on the left hand side, right straight down there, you see Brooklyn Supermarket. Beside Brooklyn Supermarket, you also have the Great Clock Tower Plaza. So Clock Tower Plaza, Halfway Tree Plaza is next. I have to watch out for the taxi man. And here is normally way more congested than this, so thank God. Okay, taxi them a load. NCB Bank, lot of wholesales and shops, lot of vendors too. And this is Independence Park as well. Yes, Independence Park. I think it needs a facelift. Not much to see in there either. I think it would do well with a facelift. This is the
abandoned.
Yeah, you know, look like that's the clock, and we're heading down now. I think Hagley Park Road starts here, that's all. So Hagley Park Road is what we're on now. So if you continue straight down on this road, that will take you to 3 miles. So we also have a video of the new and improved 3 miles. You can go ahead and check that out as well. Here's a 3 miles, Marcus Garvey Drive. You know, it takes you to those areas. But now we are going left, which takes right, touch room. We're going right, so that takes you to Pavilion. And if you continue further right, it can take you to Red Hills Road or onto Dunrobin or Constant Spring, yeah. So this is a typical Monday. A Friday or a Saturday would be way more congested than this. But we still see people up and about. What is that building?
Yeah, we see it now. We didn't keep the
Court?
Oh, yes, one that we serve.
That's the St. Andrew Parish Church. Over there. This is always turning, that's all. Necessarily, you know. Yeah, some of these people might have turned. Okay, so if you see a slight left there, that's Mullines Road. So Mullines Road can take you back onto the boulevard. If you're heading out of Kingston, you can take that road. No, go on.
Oh,
See?
see.
See, we can't make this up. That's the transport center. The transport center. I think this was a really good thing that they put in Alpha Tree, especially for the JUTC buses. And we have reached our destination. We are now turning into Pavilion, which also shares parking with Burger King. Guys, so that's it. So when I said short and spicy, that's what I meant. So we are now in Pavilion, and we hope someone found this video useful. Typical Monday in Kingston from Mona, right down here in Pavilion. Thank you for watching.
Bless up, remember, if you don't like it, please like the video, leave a comment. You don't know, big up every time. If it's even emoji, just give some fire signal, you don't know, keep the thing growing, alright? And remember,
subscription is free.
So subscribe, big up every time. Fabian and Lexi, checking out.